The realized compounded yield is the interest rate that equates our initial cash investment with our ending wealth position. The compounded part implies we want an annual rate that takes into account all of the compound interest earned over the entire holding period. So first we need to find our initial investment, which is the current price of the bond. There are 40 6-month periods until the bond matures, so we enter in 40 as N. The 6-month yield to maturity is the annual 8.4% divided by 2, or 4.2%, so we enter that in for the interest rate. The 6-month coupon is $40, so we enter that in for the payment. The face value is $1,000, and we find the present value to be $961.57. Now we need our ending wealth position. What does this consist of? Well, every time we receive a coupon from the bond, we reinvest it at the going interest rate of 7%, which is 3.5% every 6 months. Also, we will receive some money from the sale of the bond in 5 years. First, let's find the total value of our reinvested coupons at the end of 5 years. There are 10 6-month periods, so we enter in 10 for N. The interest rate, again, is 3.5% based on the problem. The coupon payment is $40, and we solve for future value. We find the total reinvested coupons are worth $469.26 at the end of our holding period. Now let's find the price that we'll be able to sell the bond for in 5 years. Well, in 5 years, the bond will have a remaining life of 15 years. This equates to 30 6-month periods, so we enter in 30 for N, again because our coupons are every 6 months. The interest rate is 3.5%. The coupon payment is $40. The par value is $1,000, so we solve for present value, and we find that the bond is worth $1,091.96 in 5 years. This means in 5 years we'll have a total of $469 plus the $1,091 for the sale of the bond is going to give us a total of $1,561.22. Again, our realized compounded yield is the annual rate of interest that equates our initial investment with our ending wealth position. So we now have all the information we need to find it. Our holding period was a total of 5 years, which is 10 6-month periods. The initial investment was the price of the bond in year 0, which was the $961.57. We'll enter this as a negative value to represent a cash outflow because we're purchasing this bond. The ending wealth position is $1,561.22. We just found that, so we put that in for the future value. Now we solve for I, and we obtain 4.967%. Since every period in our calculation was 6 months, the annual rate, the realized compounded yield, is 2 times that rate, or 9.93%.